These are the things I'm going to get my adult children. Maybe it's some ideas for you. Hi guys, my name is Bobbi and I am very excited to show you this video. So I actually did one already for my daughter, but I have some updates from that video. So I'm going to put that at the end because a lot of you have seen that already, but I know that you guys wanted me to update some of the things I actually got and I returned them because they were not good. So I want to update you guys on that. But I also finished my son's shopping and I wanted to show you that. It's very specific to him and his personality and what he likes. But maybe there's something in here that could trigger an idea for your adult son and your adult daughter at the end. There are 3 things that he specifically asked for. They were not my ideas. He just wanted these. So I thought I'll show you those and maybe it would be an idea for your son. I actually don't know what 2 of these are. Like, I don't have a clue in the world. Well, I do know what it is, but I don't know why he'd want it. One is a Port Super Speed Hub. So it's just a thing he puts all, he's a gamer. He loves music and he does DJ stuff and it's just, that's his passion. So some of this will be because of that. And that is this, I think that's what this is. It's a Port Super Speed Hub. It's for smart charging. So I guess it charges things really fast. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know why he wants that. This one I really don't know, although I do think he loves lights. He does DJing and he streams it live. And so I think that's what this is. This is lights, wall light. I think he puts these on his walls. He already has things like that, so I don't know. I don't know. Okay, this next thing, I'm just gonna show you a picture because it's too big. It doesn't show a picture on the box, so it's not worth it for me even to hold it up. But he wanted this like shampoo rug kind of thing. He said he specifically wants it to use it for his car. So I got him the specific one. We got him a similar one last year that was cheap. He didn't like it, so that went back. So hopefully he picked this one out. So hopefully he will like this. I mean, I can't fault the guy for wanting a clean car. So that's a good thing. And he says he wants to clean the rug in his room. I got him 2 t-shirts. He also loves anime. So I think that's how you say it, anime. So I got him this t-shirt. I have no idea what this means, but it is some kind of animal eating soup. I don't know. And it has it on the front. Kind of looks like the Cheshire Cat. I don't know why, but it does. So I think these are anime characters. So I got him that t-shirt. And then his other t-shirt I got, it says gamer and it's like a nutrition thing. So it says serving size 3 lives, calories burned, and it has nothing. Literally nothing. XP levels up, frags, deaths, rage quits, res pawns, sleep, protein, pizza, and soda. I don't know. Anyways, he will understand all this, but I think he will like it. This one's really soft. I think I got this on Etsy, but I will try to link everything I can find. This next one I got specifically for him. He didn't ask for this. He works in landscaping and we ask him to take his boots off in the garage. We have this place set up for him because otherwise all the dirt that he has just comes right into our house. So obviously that means his boots are out in the cold and he's now going to put his feet into cold boots and then stay outside all day. I'm excited about this. It's a boot heater and it dries them. So you put your boots in upside down, it will actually circulate the air, but it'll also heat them up. So he can just always have warm boots to put his feet in, and I think he'll appreciate it. You can also put your gloves over those things and get those warm as well. So I think that's a cool thing. I think he'll like this. Okay, I got him a couple shirts from Target, burgundy colored shirt. I don't know, I will put pictures here if I can find them. Obviously can't show you him in them and he would never go on my channel. Never. So a shirt there. I got him an Adidas sweatshirt that I got actually at Costco. This is what I'm going to give to him. We give them pajamas on Christmas Eve, but he doesn't really like pajamas. He just sleeps in sweats and shorts and things. So I'm going to give him this set. So a nice Adidas sweatshirt, and then I got him Adidas sweat pants to go with it. I think these are Adidas. Oh yeah, Adidas sweat pants. And he likes the kind that are loose at the bottom, not tight around their ankle. Rachel's the same way. She doesn't like it tight around her ankle either. Okay, this last gift, I am so excited for this one. I'm just so excited. Like I said, he's really into music and he does DJ stuff, and so he's recording. He also makes his own music and posts them, and he's very talented, if I do say so myself. Of course, I had nothing to do with it, but I got him this. Let me turn it on because that would be the important thing and have it go the right direction. I got him this. Hopefully you guys can see it. It says recording, and he can put this on his wall. It's got holes here, or put it up on a shelf, or put it above his door in his room. I just think this is so cool. I think will really love it. I am so excited to give him this. I'm gonna update you guys on what gifts came in for Rachel from the list for my adult daughter. She's 22, a very girly girl. The video I did before showed you everything that Rachel asked for. And then obviously we did not give her everything that she asked for. This is an update showing you the things we did get specifically and some updates of what I thought I was gonna give her. Okay, that was a long intro. Okay, let's get into it. I'm only going to show you things that I'm updating. So if I already had gotten it in the last video, I'm not gonna show it to you again. Okay, she asked for leggings. Those were not in when I had that video, I don't think so. So they're just brown leggings. These are very in. She's a tiny little one, but oh, they're not leggings, I'm sorry. They are yoga pants. So they're really wide at the bottom. And then obviously just leggings. She's a tiny little one. My leg wouldn't even fit in this whole thing. So, okay. These are really, really soft, like really silky, and really, they're kind of feel like a Lululemon, which are very expensive, like $100 for a pair of these, where I spent nowhere near that on these. Remember in the other video, I showed you a picture of this, but it hadn't come in. She wanted this brown set. And this came in, and I'm happy with it. It's a kind of a, I forgot what that's called, a material that's kind of, not mesh, oh my heart, mesh. I forgot what it's called. Anyways, it's ribbed, maybe it's ribbed, but it has a shirt like that. And these, I think, is pajamas, or are pajamas, and then shorts to go with it. So she will like that. I'm happy with the quality of how it came in. There's one thing that came in that was not good quality at all. Look at me, I have to fold everything. I can't just throw it, I have to, can you relate? One of the things that I wanted to get her so badly was not in stock. It was those boots. And thankfully, one of my viewers emailed me and said, your daughter's boots are actually on sale on this store. What's it called? Shoe Show. Shoe Show. I had never even heard of this website. And lo and behold, they were. I got her these boots. They're so cute and they're great. I mean, and the price was actually cheaper than what they were at DSW, because that's where she saw them. That's what the link she sent me was from DSW. And these are just, oh, she's gonna be so excited. So she takes them in a size 9. We both have very big feet. So she's gonna love that I just told you that she has big feet. I had ordered a fluffy pair of pajamas that were pants, a shirt, like a tank top shirt, and then a long cardigan. Okay, that came in and it was so cheap. And I've already updated that video to say we returned it. No, it is not worth it. It was so cheap, and it was $50. I mean, it was good price for 3 things, but not if it's cheap looking. So don't get that. And I put that in my comment or in the description box. But we did get this. This is from Fashion Nova. Rachel actually already knows about this because I told her, I had to show it to her. I'm like, this thing is, I don't think you want this thing. And she looked at it and she's like, oh my word, no, I don't want that. So we got her this instead. It's so fluffy. And it was about the same price. Now she's like, I don't know what I'll do with this. I mean, this is a tank top. This, I don't know if this will even fit her because it's very, I don't know, but it has a tank top. And then it has, the bottoms are very big and very long and very fluffy. And this is nice and thick material. Like this feels like good quality. I think she's gonna like this. And then it came also with this very warm, fuzzy cardigan that she may even just wear out. So it has pockets. It's just so much nicer than the one before. And I know I'm just holding it up for you, but obviously you can see what it would look like in the pictures. So this was such a better option, and she will get this on Christmas Eve. Okay, one thing she did ask for was a brush set. Now, if you've watched the one of the stocking stuffer, you know that there's a little surprise in that stocking stuffer one that she's gonna be really excited about. But I also got her an entire set of deluxe brush set from Sephora. Sephora brushes are actually pretty good. This was on sale. I think it's normally $60. I don't remember what I paid for it. She asked for a brush set, so I'm excited for these. I hope they're good. Do you remember she wanted the travel bag, and I said I really wanted to get her the one that was black? Well, that did come in, and I am happy with it, very happy with it. It's all crunched up because it was in this thing, but it has, let me stand up so you guys can see it. It has this bottom area that unzips so that she can put shoes in the bottom here, which I really wanted for her. And then this major open area. And it's got a couple pockets in here. It even has space in here with like pockets that she can put things in that way. And it has a side pocket here, but it also has it so you can, I forgot what that's called, but you would slide it down a piece of luggage. But I like that they also made it so that it's a pocket as well, so she could put her phone in there or something like that while she's traveling. So just a very nice overnight bag that's pretty decent size. Oh, I didn't notice it's got another pocket right here. Wow, it really does have a lot of space in it. And it does have it has these handles, and then it also has a long one so she can put it over her shoulder as well. If you would like to see the video that shows everything that's on her list that she wanted, tons of ideas in that video. I'm gonna link it right here so you guys can go directly to that, and some of this will be repeated. There's just so much more in that video. So I will see you maybe in that one or another one. God bless.